back to the channel. We are fishing. We're in a tournament. And I got my buddy Landon with me. This is my daughter's boyfriend, so should we let him come back or throw him overboard? No, but anyway, we're on a Tuesday night shootout. We got, how many boats we got, Landon? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We got 10 boats, 11 boats in it right now. So we're probably the slowest boat, but we're the cleanest. Anyway, y'all stay tuned. Hope we catch some fish. And this tournament is it's big bass only, so it don't matter how many pounds you catch or whatever. It's big bass only. One fish. So last week he said, what was it, 3.99? Yeah, 3.99 won it. So y'all stay tuned. Let's hang tight. All right, y'all. We got like 4 minutes to blast, y'all. I think every boat's in the water. We're in the last pickup right now. Daggone. Just missed my first fish. Was it big?
It what?
Was that fish big?
It wasn't big.
Missed my first fish. We're gonna fish this little spot right here. We'll fish around this, underneath that tree. We'll go underneath that tree, around that dock, a couple rocks, and then we'll head out. I got this spot here. I've caught fish here, but see that?
Yeah.
All right, you're gonna have to drive the boat now. I gotta tie something on because I need that. You know how to drive a boat?
Yeah.
Huh?
Trolling motor?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Go ahead. All right. Huh?
That was almost bad.
Y'all, oh,
Look out.
had a bite. Current situation is underwater right now. Landon just had a bite. Was it a bite, you think?
Yeah.
We're gonna try this little spot out, guys, and then we're gonna go down the river for a little bit. We're gonna take a ride. I can't let Landon come out here first time on a boat and not catch a fish. That just wouldn't be right. We've had bites, just not what we're looking for. Oh, oh. Nope. Nope. He don't want it. He's gonna take us a ride. Let's go. We fishing for money right now. We got to go. All right, y'all. We're at spot number 2 or 3. We've had a couple bites, but nothing. I've been trying to let Landon catch the first fish, but I can't wait too much longer. Come. He said I'm ducking.
I'm getting down.
Look, he's getting down. I just had a big bite. I'm gonna have to get another crawl. That joker come up and snatched. He done took half of my crawl off. Now I'm trying to fish with a wounded one. The poor old Landon said his eyes got so big He ducked. He said, I'm gonna just go ahead and kneel down. All right, we're about to change up. Here we go. We're gonna put, man, we've had bites, y'all. It's just not, they're not committing. Like, we've definitely had bites. We just can't seem to. We just can't seem to catch on to it. Oh well, we having fun. If y'all see this video, we've caught a fish. If you don't see this video, there'll be a part 2. I'm going with the Bass Reaper Crawl weightless. I just had a nice hit using one just now. Poor old Landon, he's been fighting this fishing pole. Look at that right there. Look at that fish. He was coming after the top water, dude. You see him? That was that. There we go. Oh, that's all right. Hey, I told you there's bass. That's all right. We caught one. You think he's scoreable? Dude, that fish we just saw was his granddaddy.
That fish right there might land turn.
Which one?
That
one. Oh yeah, this one right here is it. Look at that Bass Reaper bait. Yeah, that one that we just saw just before that one hit. That one would have won a tournament for sure.
Yeah, I'd like to hook you.
Huh?
I'd like to hook it.
Yeah. Well, we caught one. I told Landon I wasn't gonna wait all night for him. I tried to let him be the first person to catch a fish, you know. He's a guest on my boat. And I was like, all right, I'm gonna let you be the first person to catch a fish. Well, can't wait no longer, buddy. Y'all drop a comment right now and tell Landon, hey, he won't never see it. He don't never watch my videos. The only time he watches them is he's at the house and I make him watch them. No, I'm just playing. Y'all tell Landon, hey, he's a good kid. He goes to church every Sunday and he makes my daughter happy. I'm impressed with the first one. He goes to church every Sunday. Making my daughter happy is just a plus. Well, we caught a fish, so y'all are going to get to see this tournament video. It's not one of our best videos, but we caught a fish. I told you, we're going to stay out here until we catch one. I hope so. I hope you catch a 5 to 6 pounder. There was another one. Do you see that one?
No, I didn't see it.
Yep. We ain't caught, well, I say we ain't caught one. I caught one finally. Oh, there's no. Oh, there's another one. Look at that. That's a sure bite right there.
Use that knife again.
Yeah, buddy. If you need a pole, man, grab one. I got
one. It's just a stupid line.
That's what I'm saying. If you need a pole that you don't have to fight the line all day. All right, y'all. We're about out of time. For the tournament anyway. Oh yeah. Oh, there was.
up good, whatever that was.
Y'all, we've had bites, we've seen fish, and we caught one. A lot of the spots that I've got marked, I didn't make it there. I should have, and that's what I was talking to Landon earlier. I said I should have went there first because it was the longest drive, but I didn't. But that's all right. Like, I don't understand how my drag got so loose that quick. Well, I didn't check this one, I checked the other one. There we go. Look at that. Look at that. Look away this one. Look at that. You see that big old whopper? Yep. Between the both of them, we might have a pound. I don't, yeah. I'm waiting on Landon just to come out with that 6-pounder right about now. It'd be great because we got a little ride left ahead of us. What time we got, Landon? 8:20. 8:20?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna start. Oh, okay. See that? Yeah, let's get on. Let's get them moving. Oh, long wait. All right, y'all, we are at the last spot of the day. Trying to get a couple bites. Coming down to the wire. Y'all, this tournament, it's only a 3 hour. Is it 3 hours or 4?
Do what?
It's 4-hour tournament, ain't it? Yeah.
Yep.
It's only a 4-hour tournament. And sometimes it's good, sometimes it's not. Sometimes this place is good and sometimes it's not. All right, y'all, it's dark 30. Time to go to the landing. We just had a tornado alert.
Another very tight circulation. I'm afraid we have 2 tornadoes on the ground right now, folks. Unfortunately, we don't have a good tower cam we can look at for either one of them, or else I'd be showing you that right now. But this one here crossing 127 here near Oak Grove, moving towards Grassy Cove, Russell Shack Ridge. It continues to tighten up as it moves towards Crab Orchard. Nobody needs to be on the interstate at all right now between Crossville and the Roane County line. If you're on the interstate, you need to get off immediately. You don't need to be on the interstate. If you have anybody watching or listening to us on 94.7, 98.5, or the other stations, again, heed my warning. You're under a tornado warning right now. Very likely a tornado heading your way, especially near Crab Orchard. You need to be getting into a structure immediately.
And that's one thing we don't want, is be in the water when a tornado comes through. Anyway, we'll see y'all at the boat landing. They rushing to get here now, ain't they?